Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find seasonal recipes in all the application. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you have to tap on a recipe button. Then you have to tap all the recipes and seasonal recipes button right there. Right now there's no recipes, but if it will there, you will find there. I hope you like this and I hope it helped you. If it was helpful, please consider to subscribing. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. If you like, hit the like button. Bye.